Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Yantra Immigration. So today this video is for people who want to migrate to Australia, and we have 188 visa checklist for you, and this is printout of that whole rules for business migration to Australia. And I have written these things for you because this text is really small, you cannot see that. Okay, so this is for someone who wants to do a business migration to Australia. So let us now see points by points what are the different rules for business migration and what you should really have if you really want to migrate to Australia. Okay, so the first thing is that you age at the time of application, and your age should be under 55 years. It means that you should not be more older than 55 years. So this is going to be the first point, that is your age. And the second thing that you have to do is you should demonstrate of being in Australia to conduct business. It means that you have the ability that while you are going in Australia, so you can conduct the whole business, right? You should show them that you have your network over there, and there are many people, there is your team. So while you go to Australia, you can really conduct a successful business, right? So this was the second point, demonstration of being in Australia and you are able to conduct the business. And so now, for Indians, what should be the turnover? Not for Indians, for everyone. You can convert the Australian dollar to currency of your country. So we have this is your 5 lakhs Australian dollars. Okay, so in Indian currency it's going to be something like 2 crores and 75 lakh approximately. You should convert the whole $5,000. You should have the turnover, right? So at the time of applying for a business visa, and if you want to migrate, so you should have 2 crores and 75 lakh turnovers currently. And okay, so we have covered age and turnover. Now come to the net assets. So what are the assets that you should have while you are applying for the visa? Okay, so the asset should be of approximately 8 lakhs dollar, which is again 4 crore and 40 lakhs approximately. You should convert it on the day when you are going to apply. So okay, now our point is, so this is, you have to transfer your assets to Australia within 2 years after they have granted you the visa, right? So this means that today you have got the visa for business migration, and after the 2 years you should transfer all the assets you have in this country to Australia. Okay, so this is just something which is a very important point for you. And so many people would be questioning that what is the qualification, what the qualification that you must have. Okay, now you can have a trade certificate or any diploma or kind of bachelor's. I would say that you should be enough knowledgeable and having kind of degrees, and you can apply for the whole thing. Okay, so, and they are also demanding business experience. Like you should have experience of doing business. You should already be doing in this country, and there are many people who are able to run the whole business very successfully. So the experience that they demand is 4 years. And here you have to note one very important point, that is this 4 year should be experienced in the span of 5 years. Okay, so if you are applying right now, so you should have 4 years of whole experience in the whole 5 years of span time. Okay, and this is the whole checklist that I have over here, and you can find this in the below link. I will be attaching this link of the PDF, so you can go through it. And finally, if you are having any doubt regarding your immigration, or if you think that you want any kind of a counseling or something for that, so we are always here to bust your myth bubbles. Just get in touch with us on the given numbers that we are giving, or the email ID. And this is the whole checklist that is in the downloadable form from the link given in the description. You can go through this personally. Okay, so thanks for watching the whole video. Get back to us soon. Thank you.